In this lesson, we will learn about baking simulations. Baking simulations is a very beneficial and widely used process which allows animators to correct or preserve dynamically driven objects. Let's say we're working on a scene that has dynamically driven components that are slightly off from where we need them to be. Well, we could always redo the simulation and spend a lot of time adjusting different values until we finally find the right formula, or we can bake out the simulation. When we bake a simulation, the computer calculates the object's transformation data based off the object's dynamic attributes. Each of these transformation and dynamic attributes are converted into keyframe data, and this keyframe data can then be modified through the object's function curves. This will give us full control over what occurs in the animation, thus allowing us to quickly make the correction. Baking a simulation is also useful when you want to preserve the motion of dynamically driven objects. When we use dynamics to drive an object's movement, we ask our 3D software to calculate what should happen next to those objects with real-world results. Because of this, our results may vary each time the simulation is run. Once we've found something that works, we can bake the simulation, which will then convert the object's simulated movement to keyframes, thus preserving its animation. If we were to have re-simulated this sequence, we run the chance of never finding that desired outcome again. When we want to preserve the motion of dynamically driven objects or quickly make corrections to those objects, be sure to bake out the animation.